Good morning, everyone. It's 5:70 at the morning. I'm with coffee and a beautiful sunrise, and it's actually my first sunrise in my life, which I have seen. And yeah, believe it or not, solar panels. Whoops, solar panels are here. Sun is over there. That means 180 degrees from solar panels, and they are starting to charge with 1 watt, but yeah, they are charging. And looks like modified sine wave inverter pulled it off. 0.68, let's say 0.7 kilowatt hours. Here it shows 0.52. It's just because I was taking this plug to this inverter from time to time, uh, like you saw in a previous video. But basically, all night long, from around 1 o'clock, this have been pulling around 100 watts, just as I expected. And yeah, basically 7 to 8, 0.7 to 0.8 kilowatt hours for night for a fridge. And okay, it's not showing watts, but battery is at 10.8. Solar panel voltage is already 37.2 and 0.04 amps. So that means 40 milliamps. And my cat wants to go out. There he goes. And yeah, basically I would say that this battery can run fridge all night long with 30% leftover in capacity, because when it will start charging it will be around 6 to 7, 8 o'clock. That means 2.5 hours later, when sun will go like that, and then it will come up here right above this array, which I have to make change angle. Then it will go that way, and then all the way behind the house. So yeah, first unswept night. first from next 2 or 3 days, because we are having how to say, longest days in the summer, when only few are sleeping, everyone is partying, drinking. So yeah, need to be ready 2 or 3 more days, and then I will take a really good nap. Wind turbine isn't connected, but I'm planning to do it today, because we are expecting basically from 20 to 30 meters per second in next few days. So yeah, I want that it's ready for to kick in at night when solar doesn't charge my batteries, and yeah, something like that. But these ones are charging. I'm not sure about these ones, if they are catching light or no. But yeah, still having problems with limestone, or I'm not sure how do you call them. It's from water, stains, and it's really hard to get them off. I will try today some of these, but I'm not sure. Windows cleaners, but I'm not sure if they will work, because yesterday I tried to clean this one and it still has stains on it. So yeah, have to deal with this problem. Dirty solar panels. So yeah, okay guys, have a great day, stay healthy, and see you next time. And so it's 5:30, and it's already starting to give first watts. This controller is in MPPT mode. How about this one? Also 40-50 milliamps. So they will start to charge in next few minutes, and fridge is kicked off, but it's still connected. This temperature meter with the fan regulation is working also awesome, so I'm glad that I made it. And yeah, looks quite good. At least fridge is off the grid fully. At the day it will not be problem to run like cooker or something below 1000 watts, but yeah, slowly, but I'm moving forward. So yeah. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for liking. For comments. And see you later guys.